Hey gang, Omid here from Mobility Engineering. We've got another how-to video for you. The video we're going to be talking about today is the B&S winch. Now in the B&S range we have quite a few different winch options, so I'm going to talk about them now, and then I'm going to show you one of them, how they work. We're inside a Volkswagen Caddy cut floor conversion. Now if you can't see already, we've got the winch hiding in plain sight. So here we have the winch with rope. The winch with rope is perfect for conversions like this where we don't have much space and we're trying to do a nice discreet finish. And I'll show you this other option here as well. So this is the winch with belt. So the actual winch belt comes directly out of the motor, whereas with the winch with rope, the motor and mechanism is mounted somewhere else within the vehicle where you can hide it, typically under like the front passenger or driver's seating position, and then you have the rope that comes into the position you need it to. Whereas if you have the winch with belt style, you need to have the clear space at the front to mount such a unit. When it comes to capacities, you're ranging from 140 to 200 kilos. But there's also the 350, right? However, we're typically seeing that the 200 kilogram variant is the more popular one, and reason being is you're using the winch to assist pulling up an occupant that is seated in the wheelchair, typically a manual wheelchair, because if you have a power chair, it's going to do the functions for you and it's going to be too much of a resistance, so it's a manual wheelchair that we're trying to help. Now, at the end of the mechanism here is a little buckle, which then we attach our, V-shape yoke system. So you can either have carabiners or hook. So it just depends on the preference, right? Simply clip it in. Now how it works, you've got a wireless remote where you simply activate and then you press out. Now if you've ever used the winch before, you know when you press out, it's just going to spool. So what you need to do is make sure you get a bit of tension, so you're pulling it, and as you're pressing out, you can just see I'm not doing much and it's just coming out, all right? So then what we do is we then walk it out. So we continue to walk it out until we get to the length we need to secure it on. What we do is we then hook it onto the tie-down points or any part of the frame that will allow it to be secured to. So I got the wheelchair on the ramp, right? Now there's a little bit of slack in the belt, so the winch is really there to help pull and support it in. So if I let go, whoa, that's not going to happen, right? So what we're doing is we're pulling in, we want to get that tension, and then the actual winch will help pull it in, and then you're there just to guide it to make it sure it goes in the position you need it to go to secure it in place, right? So I'm just holding the button, holding it in, and now that we've reached our destination, wheelchair's in position where we can secure the restraints, put the seatbelt on, and away you go. Now simply in reverse, we press the out button, and you've got to remember with a winch, it's going to continually spool, so you need to be actively guiding it back and slowly pulling it, but you can't pull it too fast because the thing is the winch is got it connected, right? So we just keep pressing the out button and we slowly walk it, and then we stop if we need it to stop, right? And then you can see the wheelchair stays in place. Just keep pressing the out and just slowly walk it. It's not that fast, so it allows you to go with a nice gradual pace. Unhook, and then just leave your winch to the side there because you're going to come back in a little bit later with your chair, or you can just reel it all the way back in, but you need to make sure you press the in button and guide it back into place. And that's the B&S winch. Remember, two different styles and multiple different pulling forces or pulling strengths. So give us a call and we'll be able to assess and see, one, does it suit your vehicle? Two, what suits the person's weight and the wheelchair weight as well. Catch you on the next one.